Hey guys, back out here working on the bike. Kind of wanted to show this little motorcycle dolly that I built. So as you guys can see, I use 2-inch square tubing and welded all that together. This is angle iron that I actually cut down to the width. I think it's like 3 inches, roughly, something like that. They're not perfect. Cutting that wasn't quite the easiest. This one's actually the widest. It was on the end, and I didn't feel like cutting off a 1/4 inch. So it's a little wider. These wheels, you can get the wheels at Harbor Freight. One thing I recommend is getting the locking wheels. These aren't, and you can get them for like, I think they're like rated at 300 pounds, and they're like $7, something like that a piece. So get those again. 2-inch square tubing is pretty heavy wall, is what I use for most of it. The rectangular piece here was just a piece of scrap. And then the little rubber pieces up on top are actually like bumpers that go on the back of the semi. This was a scrap piece that I was able to get a hold of, so that's why they're actually shorter than what I wanted. I wanted them to go all the way out the end, so 14 inches. They ended up being 12 because that's what, like I said, scrap pieces is what I had. But yeah, so you guys can see that. Probably if I had to do it, I'd make it just a little bit higher off the ground. It does catch on like rocks or little pieces of gravel if it's in here on the floor. But if your shop's clean, yeah, you have no issues. So, but the bike's pretty stable up on it. I mean, I'm wiggling it around quite a bit. Turn the steering wheel around and whatnot. It's pretty solid. So it's another option to kind of move the bike around in the garage. So this one here, I'm gonna do fork seals and change out the tires. So it's nice to have it up on something. Just use a jack under the center, raise it up, and then you can set it on this and it frees up your jack. So, and again, it allows me to push it up in the corner and that kind of stuff, instead of using my regular motorcycle jack, which has been underneath this bike for forever. So I need to get back to work on this. I've started working back on the fork seals. Just got some stuff to paint. It's finally warming up, so I can start getting some of this stuff done. So but anyway, wanted to throw a little quick video. I know it's been a while since I posted one, and kind of go over the little motorcycle dolly. There are some of these online. If you look online, there's some different companies that make them. They're pretty cool. Again, I didn't want to spend the $500 or so to buy one, so I built this one for maybe $80, $100, something like that. So quite a bit cheaper. But anyway, if you guys have any questions, dimensions wise, this one's roughly 18 inches wide. I think it's, well, it'd be close to 14 inches on the inside, and it's roughly 34 inches, I think, from wheel to wheel, one side to side there. And then at, if I remember right, it's like 12 inches tall. You get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yeah, it's probably closer to 10 to 12 inches tall. And it's like, again, I didn't make this one adjustable. It's one size. I figured that's pretty common. Get most bikes off the ground. So, and like for the VMAX, where you got under pipes, that's why I went with the thicker bumpers too, so they kind of squish into it rather than having them, all that weight on metal. So again, if you guys have questions on this, feel free to ask. Like I said, it's something that comes in handy here in the garage. So thought I'd do a kind of a quick little video on it. But anyway, thanks again, guys, for watching. Love if you hit that subscribe button. We are officially over 500. I think somewhere around 514, 515. So I'm gonna continue trying to push the channel, and next goal is 1,000 subscribers. So again, thanks for watching.